she is coming. She is supposed to Mahakapati wo hai, but our Krishna is not so less. The Kapata Krishna, that Bhagavan was taken the form of a child. That Kapata Krishna ko paka Kapata Krishna is coming. Came and in a disguise of a beautiful woman. Then she coming nicely coming near Krishna. All the gopis got confused. They are so simple and innocent. And before they realized what's happening, Putana came directly to Yashoda's house and went inside all the way. And then she took Krishna in her lap. Sapati sahrita balaka chetana निशिचरान् वयजा किल पूतना रजवधूष्विहकेयमिति क्षणं विमृशदेषु भवन्दमुपाददे सपदि साहृतबालकचेतना निशिचरान् वयजा किल पूतना रजवधूष्विहकेयमिति क्षणं विमृशदेषु भवन्दमुपादते सा Putana so quickly Tirtha Balaka Chetana. She's already killed so many little children. Nishicharan Vayaja Nishachara line. She's the demoness. Nishacharasna, they do sancharam in the night, the demons. She's one of the demons. So, Kila Putana, she was daughter Mahabali's daughter in the Vamana avatar. Remember Vamana avatar? Bhagavan came as the dwarf, Vamana, and went to get Bhiksha from Mahabali, right? And Mahabali's daughter, Ratnamala, when she saw Vamana, she was so overcome with affection and love for him and wanted to hug him and pet him like a mother. Afterwards, when Vamana defeated Bali and took away everything, she got angry and so she wanted to also kill him. She has both these bhavams. She wants to be like a mother, but she also wants to kill him. So that Ratnamala from other birth is now born as Putana. So now she is quickly taking Krishna in her lap. Nishicharan Vayaja Kila Putana Najavadoshvihakeyamidi. The gopis have never seen her before. They are saying, who is this? I'm wondering. So immediately, but without even giving them chance, she took Bhagavan in her hands. She just lifted Krishna. Tajavadoshvihakeyamidi kshanam vimrshadishu bhavandamupadade. Then Lalita Bhava Vilasa Kridatma Bidivatibi Pratirodum Aparita Sanamasau Bhavananda Nishedushi Pradadushi Bhavade Kapatatmani Lalita Bhava Vilasa Kridatma Bidivatibi Pratirodum Aparita Sanamasau Bhavananda Nishedushi Pradadushi Bhavade Kapadatmane. Purposely disguised like that. And so the gopis couldn't stop her, and then she went inside Yashoda Mata's house and she took the Bhagavan on her lap and she started giving him milk. Sanamasau Bhavananda Nishedushi. She has applied poison on her breast and tried to give milk to Bhagavan. What a cruel thought she has got, right? She's Kator Hriday now, so Kator. To even think like this, right? And so, Kapatatmani. That Kapati she is, but our Krishna is no less because he is born as the mere child. That Narayana Parabrahma Prabhu is born as a child. So, Dalita Bhava Vilasa Hridatma Virivativi Pradirodhumaparita Sanamasau Bhavananda Nishedushi Pradadushi Bhavade Kapadatmane Samadiruhya Tadangama Shangidaha त्वमथ बालकलोपलरोषितः महदिवाम्रफलं कुचमण्डलं प्रतिचुचूषितदुर्विषदूषितम् लोपलरोषितः. Then holding that breast with both hands, taking like drinking from the juice of a mango, he is drinking. Mahad iva amra phalam atama. He is drinking the milk while holding the breast and drinking. Kucha mandalam, and as he drank the very life out of her. So, samadhiruhya dadangama shangidaha त्वमदबालकलोपनरोषितः महदिवाम्रफलं कुचमण्डलं प्रतिचुचूषित दुर्विषदूषितम् असुभिरेव समं दयदि त्वयि स्तनमसौ स्तनितोपमनिस्वना निरपदद्भयदायिनि जम्बपुः प्रतिगदा प्रविसाद्य भुजाबुभौ. This in Bhagavatam it comes in 10.6. This killing of Putana. And there, as Krishna is sucking the milk, she will say, please leave me, please leave me. I was looking for that shloka. Tasmin stanam durjaraviryamuldbanam Purangamaadaya Shishodadavada Gadam Karabhyam Bhagavan Prapitya Tade Pranai Samam Rosha Samanvito Pibade Tasmin stanam durjaraviryamuldbanam Purangamaadaya Shishodadavada Gadam Karabhyam Bhagavan Prapitya Tade Pranai Samam Rosha Samanvito Pibade. So, Bhagavan nicely drank along with her poison, he sucked out the very life of Putana. Then what did Putana say? Sa muncha alamidi prabhashini, leave me. She's still, the hold is so tight, she's not leaving. And she's going through intense pain. Sa muncha alam, purum. Leave me, enough. Alamidi pramashini, nishpidhyamana akila jiva marmani, vivritya netrai charano bhujo muhu, rasvinna gatra kshipati rurodaha. Sa muncha alamidi pramashini, nishpidhyamana akila jiva marmani, vivritya netrai charano bhujo muhu, rasvinna gatra kshipati rurodaha. Please leave me. Please don't drink anymore. And then she's perspiring and her eyes popped out. And her arms and legs are all getting the original form. And she cried loudly again and again. That is when we ask Bhagavan something, he puts the best meaning, it seems. She says, leave me now. Enough, she's telling, leave me. Bhagavan is going to leave her from this chakra of birth and death and give her moksha. She's telling, leave me now. Bhagavan is releasing her from the whole life cycle of birth and death. Asuvireva samam dayati tvayi stanavasau stanidopamanisvana nirapadat bhayadayini jambapuhu pradigada pravisadya bhuja bhubhavu. So now in Narayam, she fell like a thunder. Her disguise was all gone. Now the real form came out, and the ferocious body is so huge. Her mouth is so big. Her arms are like iron clubs, and her stomach is so high like a dining table. And she's fallen, spread out on the whole place. She's covering up that much big she is. They couldn't even cremate her in one shot. They had to cut her body to pieces and then cremate. So, Asubireva samam dayati tvayi tanavasau tanitopamanisvana nirapadat bhayadayini jamvapuhu pradigada pravisadya bhujavubhau. Bhayada ghoshana bhishana vigraha श्रवणदर्शनमोहितवल्लभे रजपदे तदुरस्थलकेलनं ननुभवन्तमगृह्णत गोपिकाः भयदघोषण भीषण विग्रह श्रवणदर्शन मोहितवल्लभे रजपदे तदुरस्थलकेलनं तदुदरस्थलकेलनं ननुभवन्तम् अगृह्णत गोपिकाः. When sound was heard, the frightful gigantic form is seen. Shravana Darshana Mohita Vallavi. Now the Gopas will say, what happened? Just now we were celebrating Krishna's birth with throwing the curds and honey and butter and everything. Now see, just only few days he is old. And then this, you have to see this Rakshasi. So they are all coming running. Rajapadi tadudara sthala. But Bhagavan, avaloda udaratla he is playing. Bhagavan is happy as though he didn't do anything. How can Krishna be like that? See, he only knows everything. Who is this lady has come? And who she was in Vaman avatar, he knows. And she knows her innermost bhava, feelings. And he gives her that. And he finishes her off and releases all the other children from danger. And after doing all this, he's just playing as though nothing has changed. This is our Krishna. So he's playing on the body of Putana as though nothing is, all casually he's playing. Now the gopis are coming and rushing to pick him up. Oh my God, what a dangerous situation. This is, how did it happen like that? They are all terrified to see her form. भेद घोषण भीषण विग्रह श्रवण दर्शन मोहित वल्लभे रजपदे तदुरस्थल केलनं तनुभवन्दमगृह्णत गोपिकाः. Then Bhuvana Mangala Namavirevaде युवतिभिर्बहुधा कृतरक्षणः त्वमयि वातनिकेतननादमा अगदयन् कुरुतावकसेवकम्. भुवनमङ्गलनामभिदेवदे युवतिभिर्बहुधा कृतरक्षणः त्वमयि वातनिकेतननादमाम् अगदयन् कुरुतावकसेवकम्. Names of Bhagavan which confer auspiciousness on the whole world. Upana Mangala Nama Virevade. The name of Bhagavan. Using the name and chanting his name only, they protected him. Yuvati Bhi Bahuda. What did the gopis do? Yuvati Bhi Bahuda. In different ways, they tried to protect him. First, they applied cow urine on him. They did arti to him. What all did they do? Everything, cow is so sacred for them. So they wash him with cow urine. And then they take the goraj, the dust of the cow, and they apply all over the body. Then they chant his own names, Bhagavan's different names, Keshavaya Namaha, Narayana Namaha, Madhavaya Namaha, Madhusudanaya Namaha, Rishikeshaya Namaha, like this, different names. They are chanting and applying this goraj on different parts of the body. Starting with the forehead, then going to the chest, then going to the arms. This way they are giving protection. All this in Bhagavatam. गोमूत्रेण स्नापयित्वा पुनर्गोरजसार्भगं रक्षां चक्रुश्च शकृदा द्वादशाङ्गेषु नामभिः. द्वादशाङ्गेषु, the 12 names of Bhagavan. गोप्य संस्पृष्ट सलिला अङ्गेषु करयो पृथक् यस्यात्मन्यन बालस्य गीतन्यासम् अकुर्वत. Then they did the nyasa. They did achmana. They cleaned their hand and feet and then took a sip of water. Then they did nyasa mantra and then they applied mantra and chanted mantra for the child, gopis. Then what did they chant? This is called a Yashoda Raksha. Yashoda Mata is chanting this Rakshai for Krishna. That is what here Bhattadri has put in one word. Krita Rakshanaha. भुवनमङ्गलनामभिरेवदे युवतिभिर्बहुधा कृतरक्षणः. What did the gopis say? May the Lord Narayana protect your chest. May the Lord Vishnu protect your arms. May the Lord Aja protect your head. Like this for each body limb, they are calling Bhagavan, which is the Bhagavatam 10.6 22 length shloka. अव्यादजोङ्घ्रि मणिमां तव जान्वतोरो यज्ञोच्युतः कटितटं चटरं हयास्य केशवस्वधुर ईश इनस्तु कण्ठं विष्णुर्भुजं मुगं उरुक्रम ईश्वरकम् चक्रग्रदः सह गदो हरिरस्तु पश्चात् त्वत्पार्श्वयोर्धनुरसि मधुहाजनश्च कोणेषु शङ्ख उरुगाय उपर्युपेन्द्रः काक्षः क्षिदौ हलधर पुरुषः समन्दात्. So this way, what are they saying? Aja. That Bhagavan who is called Aja. Aja means another name for Narayana. May Aja protect your legs. Avyadajondri Bhagavan Maniman. Like that, may Maniman protect your knees. Then Yajna Bhagavan protect your thighs. Then Achyuta protect the upper part of your waist. Then Hayagriva, may Hayagriva protect your abdomen. May Keshava protect your heart. May Isha protect your chest. May the Surya Bhagavan protect your neck. May Vishnu Bhagavan protect your arms. May Kurukrama protect your face. May Ishvara protect your head. May Chakri protect you from the front. May Sri Hari Gadadari, the carrier of the club, protect you from the back. And may the wielder of the bow, known as the enemy of Madhu and Ajana, the Bhagavan, who carries the sword, protect Bhagavan on both sides. May Urugaya, the Bhagavan who carries the Shankha, may he protect you from all corners. May Upendra protect you from above. May Garuda protect you on the ground. And may Lord Haladra, Balramji, protect you from all sides. This is the baby sloka. You know, anytime we can chant this for our children. I know I used to do this before, and then my son was in an accident, and Guru Arpan took care of him. Nothing happened, only one small problem. Like that, every part of the body we can request Guru Arpan, please take care of our children. So it's called Yashoda Raksha. Avyadajomdi manimam tavajanvaturu यज्ञोच्युतः कटितटं चटरं हयास्य केशवस्त्वदुर ईश इनस्तु कण्ठं विष्णुर्भुजं मुगं उरुक्रम ईश्वरकम् चक्रग्रदः सह गदो हरिरस्तु पश्चात् त्वत्पार्श्वयोर्धनुरसी मधुहाजनश्च कोणेषु शङ्ख उरुगाय उपर्युपेन्द्र ताक्षः क्षितौ हलधर Purusha Samandan. Then many children may have some psychological issue, etc. Then some Indriyas. Indriyani Rishikesha Prana Narayano Vadu Shvetadvipa Patischittam Mano Yogeshwaro Vatu Shvetadvipa Pati Narayana. May he protect the Chittam, Manas and Chittam and Buddhi, may Bhagavan protect him. Indriyani Rishikeshaha Prana Narayano Vadu Shveta Deepa Patischittam Mano Yogeshwaro Vadu Krishni Garbhastu Mepte Buddhim Buddhi Patikana Nalla Buddhi they need. Krishni Garbhastu Adu Narayana. These are all name of different Narayana, different Amsham. Krishni Garbhastu De Buddhim Atmanam Bhagavan Paraha Kridantam Padu Govindaha. May Govinda protect when he is playing. Shayanam Patu Madhava. When Madhava protect him when he is sleeping. Rajandam Avyad Vaigunda Asinam tvam Shriyapadihi. When he is sitting down, may Shriyapadi protect him. Bhunjanam Yaknyabhutpatu Sarvagraha Bhayankaraha. When he is eating, may the Lord Yaknyabhut protect him. Then the Lord of the evil planets, that when the bad graha coming, well, let the Bhagavan, who is the master of all the grahas, protect him. Like this, many children are affected by the Bhuta, Preta, Pishacha. Like Hanumanji sloka will say, Bhuta, Preta, Pishacha, Nikatani, Nave. Like that, here also, Dakinyo Yatu Dhanyascha, Utmandayar Bakagraha, Bhuta, Preta, Pishachascha, Yacharacho Vinayakaha. कोटरा रेवती ज्येष्ठा पूतना मात्रकादयः उन्मादायेष पस्मारा देह प्राणीन्द्रियदुहः स्वप्नदृष्टा महोत्पादा वृद्धा बालग्रहाश्च ये सर्वे नश्यन्तु ते विष्णोः नामग्रहणभीरवः. See, all these Bhut Prit Pishach people, Vishnu Namagrahana Bhiravaha. The moment we keep saying Krishna, 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 they run away in fear. Sarve Nashyantu te Vishnoho Nama Grahana Bhiravaha. All these evil witches, Dakini, Yakutani, Kushmanda are all harassing children. And so may Bhagavan protect him from all these evil stars. So, and by chanting his own name, they protected Bhagavan like this. So this is the beautiful Yashoda Raksha Sloka. Here Yashoda Bhattadri condensed in one line. Uvana Mangala Nama Virevade Yuvadi Virbahuta Krita Rakshanaha Swamai Vatani Kedana Nadamaha Agadayan Kurutavaka Sevakam. Hey Guruvayurappa, please remove all my ailment and please protect me. Our Narayana Bhattadri offered Dashagam 40. Now let us see 41. Only now they are going to cremate the body of Putana. So, Rajeshwara Shaurivacho Nishamya Samabrajan Advanibhida Chedaha Nishpishtani Sheshataru Giriksha Kanchit Padartham Sharanam Gadaswam. Rajeshwara Shaurivacho Nishamya Samabrajan Advanibhida Chedaha Nishpishtani Sheshataru Giriksha Kanchit Padartham Sharanam Gadaswam. The king or chief of Braj, Nand Baba, is returning back and is thinking about Vasudeva's words. Shauri Vachuma Nishamya Samavrajan Advani Bhida Cheta. As he is returning back only, he is hearing that terrible sound and in utter fear that form which fell, Putana, when it regained the original form, fell out. Loud noise is heard. And then in that noise, and her body is so big, many other trees nearby and all crashed, it seems. So, Advani Bhida Chetaha Nishpishta Nishesha Taru Niriksha Kanchit Padartham Sharanam Gadastam. Again, Krishna, please protect Krishna. That's all we have to say. So, again, he's also praying. He got terrified that something bad has happened. And then, निशम्य गोपी वचनादुदन्दं सर्वेऽपि गोपा भयविस्मयान्धाः तत्त्वादिदं घोरपिशाचदेहं देहुर्विदूरे दकुडारकृतम्. निशम्य गोपी वचनादुदन्दं सर्वेऽपि गोपा भयविस्मयान्धाः तत्त्वादिदं घोरपिशाचदेहं देहुर्विदूरे दकुटारकृतम्. And then all the men came to know what has happened and they are dumbfounded. Udandam sarvepi gopa bhaya vismayandha. They are all stunned. And then now they have to cut the body because it's so big. So, Tatpadidam gora pishachadeham. They saw Utana is killed and Bhagavan is safe. Now they started bringing axes and cutting and burning it. Dehurvidureda kutara kritam. Then, as they are burning, instead of, the corpse will stink. Not so here. It is so fragrant. The body of Putana, as it is being burnt, is so fragrant, spreading fragrance all over. त्वत्पीतपूतस्तनदच्छरीरादि समुच्चलन् उच्चतरो हि धूमः शङ्गामदादागरवः किमेषः किं चान्दनो गौल्कुलमोदवेदी. It is smelling so fragrant like chandanam or bugulam. Like that, as the body is being burnt, it's smelling so beautiful because it has been purified, the body of Bhagavan. Putana. Twatpita stanata charirade samuchalan ucchataro hi dhumaha shangamadadagara shangamadadagaravakimeshah kinchandano gaurgulamodavedi. Bhagavan has been made the sinner also purified. The name of Bhagavan purifies the sinner. Now Bhagavan has touched and drank the milk and accepted as prasad. That Bhagavan, who is eating the remnants of the sacrifice, Yagatla offerings are given to Bhagavan with so many mantras and all the ritual properly performed with Agni, Swaha, 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 Bolke. So now we have to give to Bhagavan offering, and Bhagavan takes or not, we don't know. But here, he is taking the milk from the sinner and purifying her. How blessed is this Putana? So, Twatpita Puta Stanata Charirade Samuchalan Uchatarohi Dhumaha Shangamadada Garava Kimeshaha. When the body is burnt, it is smelling so fragrant, like fresh incense. How much the room will smell when we light the incense, right? When we light like that, the gopis are wondering, is this really sandalwood? What is burning? Shangamadada garva kimeshaha kim chandano gaurgulavo davedi. Then what is it telling? The sweet. Sometimes the Bhagavan, he does not come and speak in the front. He always hides and gives messages from behind. It's as though telling, Bhagavan is giving a message to them, saying, the fruit of my contact will come very soon. Madanga phalam na dure, kshanena tavad bhavataamapi syat. You are also going to get the phalam of my sangha. Bhagavan is as though telling. That's why the smell, divine smell is coming. Madanga sangasya phalam na dure, kshanena tavad bhavataamapi syat. Ityullaban pallava kallajivyaha, tvam bhutana padanuta sugandhim. Smells so fragrant, then we are reminded about Bhagavan, right? Even after morning we put and evening also it will smell good. It always keeps a sense of divinity, the good smells. So the Deepam and Dupam and all, it gives auspiciousness and reminds us of Bhagavan always. Like that, when they're burning this Rakshasi's body, they're getting the whole air is filled with the fragrance, and Bhagavan is giving an indication saying, life is going to be filled with fragrance, and my divine prasad is coming for you very soon. Like that, Bhagavan is telling them. So Putana is Bhagyavati. Then all are wondering, Chitram Pishachana Hadak Kumaraha Chitram Puraivaka Dishaurinedam Iti Prashamsan Kila Gopaloko Bhavan Mukalo Garasinyamangshid. No, wow, like wonder. They're saying, wow, how did the demoness, the Putana Rakshasi could not kill the boy? And Vasudeva already as though knew this. Nanda Baba is wondering, how did Vasudeva say that there is danger coming? How did he know? And so all are telling Chitram, wonderful, wonderful, like that. Chitram Pishachana Hadak Kumaraha Chitram Puraiva Kadi Shaurinidam Iti Prashamsan Kila Gopaloko. They're all simple people, the Gopas and Gopis, so looking at Bhagavan. And then they are getting Bhavan Mukhaloka Rase. Now here is the ras. Day by day they are going to get ras. Oh, that is the shloka. Next is some. It's coming. Bhavan Mukhaloka Rase Nyamangshite. They are all stunned and speechless. What is this boy? First only is doing this magic like this and looking at you. They are filled with rus. And then now see this sloka. Dine dine da pradivriddha lakshmi akshina mangalya shado brajoyam bhavannivasadai vasudeva pramoda sandra parido vireje. Every day more and more and more anandam is going to give. And as Bhagavan is there, the bhakti in them is growing so much day by day. Bhagavan creates so much bhakti by doing this leelas. Dine dine da pradivriddha Lakshmi heal. Lakshmi Kataksham and Mangalam for them, never ending, undiminishing Mangalam for them. Pradivriddha Lakshmi Akshina Mangalya Shado. Rajoyam Gokula became a seat of all auspiciousness. By Krishna Rengarikaro, only there will be auspiciousness, positivity, bliss, and utsavam, everything will be there when Krishna is there. So, Bhavan Nivasadai Vasudeva, Pramoda Sandra Parito Videje. Who is that Bhagavan? Pramoda Sandra is the full saturated happiness, his nature, Sandrananda. That Bhagavan, who is Ananda Swarupa, when he is in with us, there will be only Ananda. So, Pramoda Sandra Parido Vireje, Dine Dine Da Pradivriddha Lakshmi. When we are in Satsanga, our dharma is growing. Satsangatila, Gurunadar makes us do more and more dharma. We cannot be idle. And he makes us appreciate what we have got. I'm born in Bharata Desha. My Rishi's blood is running in my body. They'll ask what Gotram you are, and we tell Rishika name, no? And we are nicely having all facilities in life, eating 3-4 times a day. We have nice place to live. We have all protection, all comforts, and we have human birth, and we have satsang. Should we not be chanting Nama every minute? Guruji is saying, right? And so he'll make us feel the rest of bhakti. The Bhagavan Krishna Leela can be divided into Vrindavana Leela, Mathura Leela, and Dwarka Leela. Guruji says this. So in the Vrindavana Leela, Bhagavan, he played with the boys. He did different games. He played with the boys. He stole butter. He's gave ananda to the gopis in different ways. He's dancing with them, singing with them, playing the flute with them. He's grazing the cows. He's doing everything and then making them get bhakti in Vrindavan. Then he went to Mathura. Here he is doing karma. He killed Kamsa. He freed his parents from the prison. Then he made Ugrasena as the Raja. Then he also went to school, Sandipani Gurukula, and got education and got his Upanayana and did all the Guru Seva. And also Mathura Leela is showing the Karma Kanda. Then in Dwaraka, Bhagavan has got married and he has a big family. But later, after the Mahabharata Yuddha, there is Vipra Shapa, and then Bhagavan sees his own Kutumbam, entire Kutumbam, being destroyed by Brahmana Shapa. Jnaniya irukar. Knowing that everything will be creation, sustenance, and destruction, Mari, he is doing everything and remain detached. So that Krishna Leela Adbhutam is so Gambhiram. Dwaraka Leela. So this is Vrindavana Leela. Whenever Bhagavan is there, the dharma will increase in our house. We will think twice before doing anything wrong. Wrong panna mudiyadu. The Lakshmi Kataksham will keep increasing. Our enthusiasm, our energy, our good luck, and positivity, the helpful nature, gratitude, All this will increase because Krishna teaches us all these good things. Every Bhagavad Gita Channamari, every day dharmam sharikim. Dharma will flourish. Like that here he is doing in Gokulam. Dine dine da pradivriddha lakshmihi akshina mangalya shado vrajoyam bhavan nivasadai vasudeva pramoda sandra parido bireje. श्रुते कोमलरूपः समितः कथा सङ्कुलिताकमन्यः वृत्तेषु कृत्येषु भवन्निरीक्ष्य समागता प्रत्यहमत्यनन्दन् Yashoda, do you have sugar? Yashoda, can I use your lamp to light my lamp? They'll make excuse to keep going to Yashoda's house, thinking, seeing the Komala Rupa Hasa. His Rupa, his soft Bhagavan with beautiful form and smile. They keep thinking about him and talking about him, the gopis. Mitakata Sankulita Kamanyaha. Krityeshu Krityeshu. After completing the housework, they run to Yashoda's house. And then Bhavan Niriksha Samagada Pratya Abriye life changed for them. ऐसा भी होता है they were like otherwise life we are always tension what will come next, what should I do next, and all these things. Once we come closer and closer to Guru Arpan, we'll see everything is rasomai. There's no anxiety at all. Guru Arpan takes care. Guru Arpan will take care. Like that, we just go with the flow. Nothing sticks. We keep doing day to day and go with the flow, like that. Like that, Bhagavan made their life so anandamai. And so they're running to Yashoda's house to watch him. They finish the work. Rityeshu krityeshu bhavan niriksha samagada pratyahamatyanandan. Then they're telling, see, this Krishna is looking at me. Aho kumaro mai datta drishtihi vadiraja. Adikonde, let me take you. Like that, they play with him. Cutie papa. Like that, they take him, they play with him. अहो कुमारो मयि दत्तदृष्टिः स्मितं कृतं मां प्रतिवत्सकेन. Come to me like this. एहि मामित्युपसाद्य पाणिं. They stretch their hand and he keep on going to different arms. Bhagavan is going like that beautifully. ஒரு flower ஒரு flower ஆட்டமா is going. ஒரு garland, different flowers are there. Like that is going from one hand to another. अहो कुमारो मयि दत्तदृष्टिः स्मितं कृतं मां प्रतिवत्सकेन एह्यैहि मामित्युपसाद्य पाणिं त्वयि किं न कृतं वधूभिः. Krishna is looking at me, Krishna is looking at me. And they go run to Yashoda's house. And they stretch their hand and call him. And then Bhagavan also makes he is born to give Ananda to everyone. Ananda Rupa Bhagavan. I think so selfless Bhagavan is. Right? He's Shri of Pati, residing in Vaikuntha Loka on Satpan bed Adishesha, now became a small boy and playing with these cowardesses. So they are also Ittara Varshatod tapas is fruit has taken fruit and Krishna has come in this avatara as the child. So that much ananda they are experiencing, and so they are telling ehi mami upasadya pani. They are stretching their hands. Twaisha, hey Guruvarapa, come to me. And then kim na kridam vadu bihi. They are also showering affection on Bhagavan. Why this Bhagavan they love so much more than their own son? Because we all love ourselves. The Nan, me is what we love, and that Bhagavan is my Atma. My Atma is what I love most. And when that Atma took a form as Krishna and came, and so we love Bhagavan more than our son, because our son is mixed up with Maya Jal. But Bhagavan is pure Bhagavan. So we love him without we can't help it because he's our Atma Swarupam. So, like that, they are calling him, and like a honey bee going from one flower to another in a garland. Our Krishna is the honeybee going from one hand of one gopi to another gopi to another gopi, like that is going. भवत्वपुस्पर्शन कौतुकेन करात् करं गोपवधूजनेन नीदस्त्वमाताम्र सरोजमाला व्यालम्बिलोलम्ब तुलाम् अलासी. Body of Krishna. Sparshana Gautukena Karatkaram. One hand of one gopi's hand to another gopi's hand to another gopi's hand. Karatkaram Gopavadu Janina Nidastam Atamra Sarojamala. And so the red lotus garland Lola honey Biyatma is going. The gopis' hands are like flowers. And Bhagavan is like the honeybee sitting on those flowers. Nidastam Adam Rasarojamala Vyalam Bilo Lambatula Malasi. Nipaye, how fortunate is this? Yashoda. Nipayayandi Sanamangagam Twam Hilokayandi Vadanam Hasandi Dasham Yashoda Katamam Nabheje Satadrisha Pahi Hare Gadanvam. Looking at Krishna's face, she's giving him milk. Nipayayanti stanam angagam tvam vilokayandi vadanam hasandi. Admiring the face of Bhagavan and smiling, she's giving milk. Now, and then what high status she has attained. Enna tavam shaidana Yashoda, right? That much Punyavati she's become. So Yashoda Mata and most Bhagyashali. Dasham Yashoda Katamam na bheje Satadrisha Pahi Hare Pahi Hare Hare Bhattadri. Keep on calling Hey Hare. That Hari is our protector. Oh Krishna, please protect us from all our diseases. Ne? Bhattadri, beautiful chapter 42 is offering. Satadrisha Pahi Hare Gadanma Shri Krishna Aya Parabrahmani Pahi Hare Gadanma Shri Krishna Aya Parabrahmani Namaha Sandrananda Vabudatmagamανubamidam कालदेशावधिभ्यां निर्मुक्तं नित्यमुक्तं निगमशतसहस्रेण निर्भास्यमानम् अस्पष्टं दृष्टमात्रे पुनरुरुपुरुषार्थात्मकं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तत्तावद्वादि साक्षात् गुरुपवनपुरे हन्तभाग्यं जनानां श्रीकृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः ചെയ്തു യശോദ ലോകൈകനായകൻ അമ്മ വിളിക്കാൻ എന്തോരു ഭാഗ്യം ചെയ്തു യശോദ ലോകൈകനായകൻ അമ്മ വിളിക്കാൻ പീലിത്തേരുമോടി കെട്ടാൻ അമ്മ എത്ര കാലം തവം ചെയ്തു പീലിത്തിരുമൂടി കെട്ടാൻ അമ്മ എത്ര കാലം തവം ചെയ്തു ഗോപിക്കുറി തൊടുവിക്കാൻ അമ്മ എന്തെന്തു മംഗൾ ചെയ്തു ഗോപിക്കുറി തൊടുവിക്കാൻ അമ്മ എന്തെന്തു ഹോമങ്ങൾ ചെയ്തു എന്തോരു ഭാഗ്യം ചെയ്തു യശോദ ലോകൈകനായകൻ അമ്മ വിളിക്കാൻ പൊന്നിൻ പൂളിനാഗം ചാട്ടാൻ അമ്മ എത്ര കാലം ജപം ചെയ്തു പൊന്നിൻ പൂളിനാഗം ചാത്താൻ അമ്മ എത്ര കാലം ജപം ചെയ്തു പീതാംബരം ഒന്ന് ചുറ്റാൻ അമ്മ എത്ര വസ്ത്രദാനം ചെയ്തു പീതാംബരം ഒന്ന് ചുറ്റാൻ അമ്മ എത്ര വസ്ത്രദാനം ചെയ്തു എന്തോരു ഭാഗ്യം ചെയ്തു യശോദ ലോകൈകനായകൻ അമ്മ വിളിക്കാൻ വെണ്ണയും പാലും കൊടുക്കാൻ അമ്മ എത്ര ഏകാദശി നോറ്റു വെണ്ണയും പാലും കൊടുക്കാൻ അമ്മ എത്ര ഏകാദശി നോറ്റു താലാട്ട് പാടി ഉറക്കാൻ അമ്മ എത്ര ശിവരാത്രി നോറ്റു താലാട്ട് പാടി ഉറക്കാൻ അമ്മ എത്ര ശിവരാത്രി നോറ്റു എന്തൊരു ഭാഗ്യം ചെയ്തു യശോദ ലോകൈകനായകൻ അമ്മ വിളിക്കാൻ കാലിൽ ചിലങ്കകൾ ചാർത്താൻ അമ്മ എത്ര നമസ്കാരം ചെയ്തു കാലിൽ ചിലങ്കകൾ ചാർത്താൻ അമ്മ എത്ര നമസ്കാരം ചെയ്തു കയ്യിൽ കരിവള ചാർത്താൻ അമ്മ എത്ര നമസ്കാരം ചെയ്തു കയ്യിൽ കരിവള ചാർത്താൻ അമ്മ എത്ര നമസ്കാരം ചെയ്തു എന്തൊരു ഭാഗ്യം ചെയ്തു യശോദ ലോകൈകനായകൻ അമ്മ വിളിക്കാൻ ഉണ്ണിക്ക് അമ്മിഞ്ഞ നൽകാൻ അമ്മ എത്ര പാലൂട്ടു നടത്തി ഉണ്ണിക്ക് അമ്മിഞ്ഞ നൽകാൻ അമ്മ എത്ര പാലൂട്ടു നടത്തി പൊന്നുണ്ണിക്കമ്മിഞ്ഞ നൽകാൻ അമ്മ എത്ര പാലൂട്ടു നടത്തി പൊന്നുണ്ണിക്കമ്മിഞ്ഞ നൽകാൻ അമ്മ എത്ര പാലൂട്ടു നടത്തി എന്തൊരു ഭാഗ്യം ചെയ്തു യശോദ ലോകൈകനായകൻ അമ്മ വിളിക്കാൻ ലോകൈകനായകൻ അമ്മ